If you are a light sleeper, you need to grab these while they're on a huge discount. These Deconovo Blackout curtains are an absolute game changer, and right now they're on sale for only $27. 100% light blocking, so perfect for night shift workers or babies, and they're thermal insulated, so it's going to keep your room cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Noise reducing, blocks outside sounds, and energy saving, lowering AC and heating bills. There are a ton of different colors and sizes available. If you want to grab these while they're on sale, the link is down below.